Hi guys, and welcome back to the Flawless Beauty channel. If you are new here, I'm Brittany, and thanks for joining. Everyone else, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. And it's warming up. Look, I'm wearing a t-shirt. As I do the chicken arms. Yeah, it's warming up. It's getting in like the 70s, and it is feeling oh so good. If you've been here long enough, you know I am a summer and spring girl. I hate the cold with a capital H-A-T-E. Hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it. I like warm weather. I like bikinis. I like the lighter colors. Even though black is my jam, during the summer I'm wearing lighter colors because your girl gets hot in the summer. So let me tell you what else that I'm going to be rocking this spring and summer. My new movement watch. Isn't that stunning? It is rose gold, and it is a nice leather. It is a rose gold, and it has a nice gray leather band. Let me show you. So I just got this, and it's really cute. I'm not a huge watch person. I usually wear my Apple Watch. As you can see, it's warming up. I have a tan line from my watch. But this one from Movement is definitely more stylish. I mean, the Apple Watch, no matter how many times you change the bands or what the bands is, it's still a sport watch, right? This one is definitely a more stylish watch. I mean, look at I like the minimalist look as well. It just gives a clean, kind of sophisticated look to it. And I chose the Ghost Iris. Like I said, it's the rose gold with the genuine leather gray band. And it's really comfortable, I have to say. I was a little worried because my Apple Watch is super comfy. This one I did have to kind of like, you know, leather stiff when you first get it. That's anything. After doing a few of these and wearing it for a bit, it's perfect. But let me show you. I want to show you. Okay, so this is nice and sleek, right? The watch. Yeah, it's nice and sleek. Well, so is their packaging. I was highly impressed with their packaging. Like, I think the way a company packages sets the tone of their product in a way. Like, if they care about their packaging, they care about their product in a sense. You know, they want to protect it. They want you to know they love it. And I get that from Movement. So yeah, it comes in a really nice package. And this box, this is a very nice box. I mean, like, it's not your basic box. Check out those lines. And it's like it's not leather. I don't know what it is. Like a patent maybe? It's a really nice box. It's a really nice box. But it comes with all your little details, you know, welcome, your little instruction pamphlets, you know, on how to start the watch. Obviously you do it like that. I hope you know that. But yeah, and then it comes nicely protected, and it's all cozy right in its little home right there. And it's happy in its little box. I'm going to put the watch back on, and let's chit chat just for another minute or two about the Movement watch. So I have a small wrist, I'm a small person. I have it, what is this? This is on the third hole that I have it on right now. But it's a nice, I mean, even, it still slides. I could probably, no, I can't do another one shorter. But it looks so good. Like, it matches my top really well. I mean, I did that on purpose, if I'm being honest. But, oh, like, I feel like a grown-up. Like, do you have the time? Yeah, I do have the time. It's 1:20. Do you need the seconds too? Because I can tell you the seconds. Like I said, guys, this is the Ghost Iris. Beautiful rose gold metal face plate. I don't know technical watch terms. I apologize. But all this is rose gold and a nice, I really like the leather band. It's just, I don't know, it's just so chic. Like, grown-up watch, right? I like it. But let me tell you a little bit about the company. So Movement was established by two guys, friends, and they felt like something was lacking in the accessory department with affordable watches. So if we're thinking about it, like you can really get like a cheap watch. You could go down to, Walmart, Target, and get a pretty cheap watch, right? You can. Let's be honest. But cheap watches, I think, or anything cheap, they don't last long. You know what I'm saying? Like I could go buy something for $5 online, and if it lasts one time, I feel good about it. I got my $5 worth, right? And then you also have the high-end, let's just say Rolex, right? Thousands of dollars for a watch. Excellent quality. But what about the middleman? What about the person that doesn't want to spend thousands of dollars on a watch, but also doesn't want to buy a cheap watch that's going to break within a month or so, This Movement watch is like middle ground. It's going to last you a while. It's going to last you. I mean, I can't say how long because I haven't had it that long, but it's going to last me longer than the Walmart watch, right? And it wasn't thousands of dollars like the Rolex, but it still looks, it's still really nice. I mean, that's a gorgeous watch. It's really nice. I like it. So they go by live life on your own terms, and I think their brand just says that on its own, right? The middleman watch, right? Not the super cheap and not the super expensive. It's that middle ground that 90% of us are looking for, and they nailed it. And not only do they have female watches, they have men watches. So don't fret. You're like, oh man, I want to watch, but I'm a dude. I don't want to wear the Ghost Iris. That's cool because they have a buttload of men watches, right? They also carry some jewelry and sunglasses. So make sure you guys check them out. And if you're not in the department of a watch, this would make a really good gift. I know we're still like a few months away, but a Mother's Day gift, Father's Day gift, maybe your friend that's always late to dinner, my sister, always late. Get them a watch. They have no excuse to be late if the time is right on their wrist, right? Yes, at least that's my thought process. So guys, make sure you check out Movement. My link below, down in the description. Make sure you look at it. We'll give you a discount on their entire site. Watches, jewelry, sunglasses. Make sure you check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. And as always, make sure you like, subscribe, share, do all the things. And until next time.